How my coders, how are you? Here I am going to explain prime number. Okay, it's a very important topic in PPS. In first unit only, it is given algorithm and flowchart in the prime number quadratic equation, and you have to search the numbers among the arrays. Okay, these are the very important algorithm. So prime number. AM gave the prime number. Uh, you have to check the number is prime or not. What is prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by itself or 1. Okay, like 2. 2 is divisible by itself, 2 by 2. It will give the remainder 0. Or it will divisible by 1, 2 by 1. It will give the remainder 0. Okay, so the prime number is a number which is divisible by itself or 1. So let's we start the algorithm. Uh, for algorithm, see algorithm we have to give the step by step. I told na in previous lecture that algorithm means systematic steps for any task. That is the algorithm. So here algorithm step by step I gave for prime number. First, we know what is a number. If I take the number as input, I took the 2. Okay. Second step, we have to initialize one temporary variable. Temporary variable is 0, that is blank. No meaning of that variable. This temp is no meaning, but I gave it is 0. 0 means initially I decided that it is a prime number. See, I don't know it is a prime number or not. First, we decide that it is a prime number. You know that son and father age numerical in maths. In that we suppose the value. Let's son age is x. Okay. So likewise we decided the son age. So here also we take the temporary variable as 0. We decided that number is prime. Now we will do the logic. In logic, we will see that it is a prime or not. Okay. First, we suppose that it is a prime number. Third step, we have to take the loop. Loop means if I take the number 7. So from 1 to 7, we have to check whether it is prime or not. Okay. So loop from 2. क्योंकि that prime numbers 0 and 1 is decided that it is not a prime number. Prime number we check from 2 only. So 2 to number by 2. By that we can decide. If number is divisible by loop iterator if I take I here, A here, so number is divisible by loop iterator, then increment the temp. Temp is 0. If it is divisible, then we will increase the temp value. See? So it will, if it is so, if it is divisible, then it will increase to 1. If temp is equal to 0, because we decided that temp is 0. If it is 1, that means it is not a prime number. If it is 0, then only number is prime, else it is not prime. Else it is not prime. Okay? So this is the algorithm. I hope you understood this algorithm. It's very easy. If number is divisible by loop, then it is not a prime number. Okay. If its blank value is equal to 0, then only it is prime number, otherwise it's not a prime number. Now we will see the program. First, we will just look this program and then we will execute on the compiler. Okay. So first, C program to check the number is prime or not. See, every C program will start from hash. Hash means preprocessor. Preprocessor, what is the working of preprocessor? It will fetch the value from C library. There are some libraries in C. So we will fetch the keywords from that library. Like stdio.h name library header file is there in C library. Inside stdio.h, printf and scanf is there. If you are using printf and scanf in your program, you have to give stdio.h. If you are using the cos, sine, tan, any mathematical things in your program, so you have to give hash include math.h. H means header file. STDIO full form is standard input output. Whatever the printing the value, reading the value, writing the value, we will use as an input and output. Output means get the result. Okay. Now, after this header file, we have to give the main function. Without main function, it will not work. So inside the main function only, program will run in a C. After main function, we have to give this bracket, curly braces. Curly braces at the starting of the program and the end of the program. Means if you open the bracket, you have to close the bracket. A bracket means light is showing the lifetime of the program. It will run from here to end. See, at the last, this is the close the main function. If it means from there, from that portion to this portion, it will work. Okay. After this bracket, we have to give initialize the variables. Initialize the variables means whatever the variable we are using inside the program, we have to give the data type. This is the data type. Int means integer type of data type. We use n, number. We use I for iteration, for loop. We use flag to decide whether it is prime number or not. So these all are the variables we have to declare. Okay. First we have to declare, then only it will work. Now we don't know the number. First we have to enter the number. Printf, enter the number. Scanf, printf means writing. Whatever you write inside this, it will print as it is. Scanf means reading. Now you are reading the number. For writing, you have to read the number. %d, this is the syntax of scanf. %d means format specifier. N, which type of number? This is integer type of number. D is the format specifier for integer. This is ampersand. Ampersand is the address of n. Address of n means variable only take place in a memory. So it will give the address of n. Okay. Now we know that 0 and 1 is not a prime number. So first we declare that if n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, it will give flag is equal to 1. Flag is equal to 1 means it is not a prime number. Flag is equal to 0, we decided that it is a prime number. Now we have to take the loop from 2 to n by 2, increment by 1. 2 means start by 2, end on n by 2. Okay. Now n is divisible by I. If it is 0, then flag will increment. See, if we n is, I took 7. 7 divided by 2. First time I value is 2. 7 divided by 2 is equal to 0. No, it is not equal to 0. Then flag is equal to 1. Flag will increment by 1. I told in algorithm that temporary variable will incremented by 1. Okay. So flag is equal to 1. It will break there only. Means 7 is not a prime number. It will convert it into flag is equal to 1. Now, if flag is equal to 0, then only it is prime number, else it is not a prime number. Okay. Because we decided in a first line if number if flag is equal to 1, then it is a prime number. Now we will execute the program. Okay. So see, first line is hash include stdio.h. Stdio means standard input output. Then we have to give the main function. Main function means directly you can give main function. So after that bracket. After bracket, what is there? we have to declare the variable. What we use in a program, we use n is a number. We use I for loop. We use flag is equal to 0. Flag is equal to 0 means decided that it is a prime number. Okay, we give this semicolon. Semicolon is a termination of any every syntax in C. Okay, that means it is a termination. Next, we don't know the number. We have to input the number. So we will give enter a number. Whenever we are entering the number, we have to give scanf. Scanf, scanf for integer format specifier is %d. Then after inverted comma, we have to give comma. Then ampersand m. See, if we till here we run the program. So sorry. Here in semicolon. After every syntax, we have to give the semicolon. If we run the program, see, enter a number. Whatever printf it is enter a number. Here I am giving void. What is meaning of void? Void is nothing. Maybe it is integer type of value. Maybe it is float type of value. Maybe it is character number. Anything output should be. So now we will run the program. Enter a number. Okay. If I give 4, it will be because till here I wrote a program, so it will not run further. After this, we know that 0 and 1 is not a prime number. If n double equal means logical equal to. So n is equal to 0 or this is a sign of or. N is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, then flag is equal to 1. Flag is equal to 1 means it is not a prime number. Check. Now we have to take a for loop. See, I gave this braces, curly braces. So it means this if will work from here to here. It's showing the lifetime of the program. That sentence. Now we have to give the for loop. For loop from 2 to n by 2. I is equal to first value is 2. Last value is n by 2. Semicolon I plus I. Pre-increment I. Check. Now we will give the bracket. Then if condition. If n divided by I, if it is equal to 0, if it is equal to 0 means n is, if I took the n 5, 5 divided by I first value is 2. 5 divided by 2, how much? 2.5. So it is not giving the remainder 0. Then I will say that 5 till now it is not a 5 turns, sorry, flag turns to 1. Till flag turns to 1. Prime number, what is prime number? Number is divisible by itself or number is divided by 1. Huh? Number is divisible by itself or number is divisible by 1. Then it is a prime number, otherwise it is not a prime number. See, if means if flag is equal to 0, then only it is prime number, otherwise it is not a prime number. If flag is equal to 0, then flag is equal to 0, then print f number is prime number else. else print f number is not a prime number. Check. So this is your whole program. Here we check number is prime or not. Check. If we run this program, see somewhere I some mistake. See here I'm not giving the will not give the semicolon. Check. Or any see here semicolon. Every syntax after every syntax you have to give the semicolon. Check. Run. See it will run. Now I gave 5. It is prime. Sorry, 55. Okay, 6. It is not a prime number. You know, no? It is not a prime number. If I gave 2, it is prime number. 2 is a prime number. So, if you want that 2 is a prime number, so how we will give? Here, you know the format specifier for integer. Percent %d is prime, comma, m. Likewise, we will write in a not prime also. So it will give the number is prime, likewise it will give. It will more clear actually. If you give the sentence only, it will not clear. So here, if I give number is 2, 2 is prime. Okay, because I give percent %d here. Percent %d means whatever the number is, it will substitute on percent %d. Percent %d means 2 is prime number. If I took here 2. Okay. So I hope you understand this program. It's very, very important program. So we will meet with next topic. Okay. Till then, bye bye. If you like my video, just subscribe it and give good comments. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.